Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to another Olympiad question. So there are three equations: a plus b equals to abc, b plus c equals to abc, and c plus a equals to abc. Here we need to find a comma b comma c values. So first of all we will subtract first equation to second equation. So a plus b minus, so left hand side is subtracted by left hand side, and here abc minus abc, so it will be 0, and here a plus b minus b and minus c, bb cancel out, so a minus c equals to 0. So this is the third equation. We will make this equation is third. Now subtract first minus 2 we have done. Now second minus 3. So second equation is b plus c is the left hand side, and right hand side b plus c is the second equation, and third equation left hand side is c plus a. So if you subtract it, to both sign is the negative, minus c and minus a, and here abc again minus abc, which is equal to 0, and here c and c cancel out, and b minus a equal to 0. So for equation 3, can we write a minus c equals to 0? So here a equals to c goes to that side, and here b equals to a. Now see these two equations, a equals to c and b equals to c. Here a value is equal to c, here a value is equal to b. It means this is equation number 3. We will write this is the third. It is not a third equation, and it is the fourth equation. So now the conclusion of the equation number 3 and 4 from third and fourth equation, you can see a equals to c and b equals to a. It means a value is c and a value is b. It means a equals to b equals to c. Means a value is equal to b and b value is equal to c. Matlab they are equal. Okay. Now in the next step, a equals to b equals to c. So we are using the equation number 1. So from equation first we will write again abc, and here a equals to b, b equals to c. You can see a equals to b and b equals to c. It means the value of abc are same. So again we are writing equation number 1. So from equation 1, a plus b equals to abc. Now this equation we will convert into the only one variable form. It means suppose a equals to b, b equals to c. So we will convert this equation in form of any one alphabet. So we will choose a. So b equals to a, and a, b is equals to a, and c equals to a, because they are equal to each other. So a and a is 2a, and it is a cube. Now see 2a, this a cube comes left hand side, so here is 0. Now take the common a, so remaining is 2. A cube, a is outside, 1a is outside, so remaining is a square equal to 0. So a equal to 0, one value is equal to 0, and another value is this 2 minus a square equal to 0. So minus a square equals to, this 2 goes to that side, which is minus 2. Minus and minus cancel out, so this a equals to plus minus of root 2. So these are the values of a. So you can see the value of a is 0 and plus 2 and minus 2. So here a equals to 0, a equals to plus minus root 2. So a equals to is b and b equals to c. It means b value is also 0 and plus minus root 2, and c value is also 0 plus minus root 2. Hope you have understood this question, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you, and thanks for watching.